which refers to an action by a government official, or someone acting with government authority, who abuses their power under the appearance of legality. This means they are using authority granted by their official position, even if their specific action is in misuse of that authority or is not actually authorized by law. Department of Justice.gov, key concepts. Appearance of authority. The core element is that the individual is using the guise of official power. This can involve a police officer in uniform, someone displaying a badge, or a public official acting in their workplace. Abuse of power. The action taken, while appearing official, actually violates a person's rights or the law itself. Scope. The concept applies to a wide range of public officials, including police officers, prison guards, judges, mayors, and care providers in public health facilities.
Three minutes of your time to discuss a lawyer who knowingly violates the rules of professional conduct faces severe consequences, including investigation by disciplinary authorities, public admonition, suspension, or permanent disbarment. They may also face civil lawsuits for malpractice, court-imposed sanctions, and potential criminal charges if the act was unlawful. American Bar Association. American Bar Association +4. Consequences of ethical misconduct. Disciplinary action. The State Bar or Supreme Court, e.g., the ARDC in Illinois, investigates complaints. Penalties can include private reprimand, public censure, temporary suspension of the law license, or permanent disbarment. Legal malpractice lawsuits. If the ethical violation causes financial, strategic, or professional harm to a client, the lawyer can be sued for malpractice or breach of fiduciary duty. Court sanctions. A judge may impose fines, disqualify the lawyer from a case, or hold them in contempt of court. Criminal charge. What happens if a judge knowingly violates the Code of Judicial Conduct? They face investigation by a Judicial Conduct Commission, e.g., Judicial Inquiry Board, which can lead to formal charges, public hearings, and disciplinary sanctions. Sanctions can range from private reprimands to serious public actions, including reprimand, censure, suspension without pay, or removal from office. Illinois.gov. Key consequences of judicial misconduct. Disciplinary action. A governing body, such as the Illinois Courts Commission, may reprimand, censure, or suspend a judge. Removal from office. For egregious misconduct or illegal activity, the judge can be removed from their position. Compulsory retirement. A judge may be retired if they cannot perform their duties due to health or other issues. Legal action. Judges can be subject to separate criminal prosecution for crimes committed. Disqualification. If the violation concerns bias, a judge may be disqualified from the case. 3 minutes. What happens if
3 minutes to discuss. Judges and lawyers who knowingly allow or assist others in violating professional conduct rules face severe consequences, including disbarment for lawyers, removal from office for judges, and potential criminal charges. Ethical rules mandate that both professions report such misconduct to the appropriate authority, e.g., ARDC, Judicial Inquiry Board, or Supreme Court, to maintain professional integrity. American Bar Association. American Bar Association. Consequences for lawyers. Rules of Professional Conduct 8.4. Professional misconduct. Assisting or allowing a judge or another lawyer to violate ethics rules is itself a violation of rules of professional conduct, e.g., ABA Model Rule 8.4. Discipline. Violations can lead to sanctions, suspension, or disbarment. Disqualification. If a lawyer assists a judge in violating rules, that lawyer and their firm may be disqualified from the case. Mandatory reporting. Lawyers have a mandatory duty to report misconduct.
What is it called when a judge and lawyers work together and violate the rules of professional conduct and the Code of Judicial Conduct to deny a fair trial? It's called a conspiracy against rights under color of law, 18 U.S.C. section 241 and 242, and is a federal crime.